Why isn't it going?
Shit, we broke it.
Hold on, I got that too. Well, who's your friend, Bridget?
Have you talked to Sawyer lately?
No, I had a dream about him. He put Heidi to sleep.
Are you serious? That's the weirdest shit I've ever heard in my life. Text Sam and be like, listen.
Okay, hold on. You listen up real quick. You listen up and yeah.
Be like, try to come over tomorrow. She's grounded for today because she came in late or something like that. No, you're...
No, I got this. Relax. God, I'm just...
Get off me. My